Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sheer Luxe Beauty School. I am Michaella Bolder, celebrity facialist and skincare expert. Today I'm going to take you through how to use an at-home microcurrent device. So of course there are many microcurrent devices available on the market, but today I'm going to show you how to use my favourite two devices for at-home use. I have the Zip at-home microcurrent device, and I also have the anti-beauty microcurrent device. So always make sure that your skin has been cleansed and you make sure you have no makeup or no SPF, because we are going to now push a hydration serum and a conductive gel into the skin. You can of course use any of the products that come alongside the microcurrent devices, or you can use any at-home serums that you have, as long as there is enough slip to move effortlessly around the face and your product does conduct the microcurrent. So I'm using a slippery hyaluronic acid here from Lancome. Their advanced Genifique is just very watery. It's a hydration serum and it blends effortlessly over the skin. Now this is going to act as my conductive gel. So always break up your face into sections when using a microcurrent. Split the face down the middle. I'm going to work in one small area at a time. So now I'm going to turn on my Zip device. This does work from an app through your phone. I have mine set up already. Always working from the center upwards and outwards. This way you will start to contour and work on the facial contours to lift and sculpt. Now, any areas of concern, for example, if you have tension within the face, you can really sit in that area for a few moments and let that electrical wave go through the muscle and help to lift and remove any tension from within the face. So I'm going to move up slightly. Now I'm going with the device here. So I'm making sure that I'm grabbing the muscle in between the two probes, and I'm just working slowly, and I'm feeling each muscle fiber just twang with that electrical current. That is exactly what we want to feel. When you've been in one area for around 3 minutes, I'm going to move on to my second area, making sure that I've really worked my first area to the maximum. So in between the cheek and the jaw, we have this lovely flex of skin tissue, and that's the area that we can really grab to sculpt. So I've done my 3 minutes on the left side of my cheek, and now I'm going to go over to the right side of my cheek for another 3 minutes here. So I'm going in again with more product on my third area, which is the forehead, and then we're taking our device. Now this time I'm starting at one side again. So I'm going to draw up the forehead into the hairline here. You can feel that tingle. I'm grabbing at the eyebrow and I'm drawing the device up, letting the device grab at the muscle, feeling that pulse, and drawing up the forehead now. Now I'm going to go from the center outwards horizontally now. I'm going to show you a run through of the second device that I have. This is just one device that I find is really powerful, and you can really see the muscle stimulation working at its best. So immediately grabbing the muscle again, drawing from the center outwards. So as I work up, you'll start to see my eye and the grabbing of the muscle. Now this is just that proof of microcurrent as to why it works and how important it is into your routine, especially to pick up and tone the muscle tissue. We're going to bring our devices down the neck. You can see how it grabs at the muscle. It's great. It feels really good. Repeating on both sides always. So draining of lymph nodes should come off of the face to the lower part of the ear, just behind the earlobe, and then down the side of the neck, and that will just help to draw any toxins down through the lymph nodes, which will grab and drain those toxins nice and slowly, grabbing at any muscle on the way down. As soon as it starts to pulse and tense, you can just leave it for a moment. And there we are. I feel like I've had a professional treatment in the comfort of my own home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to up your beauty routine at home. You can follow me for any more tips and tricks at Michaella Bolder on Instagram.